Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will convert this 2D sketch into the 3D models, and here we are going to do with it with part design workbench. In FreeCAD there are the basically two major part modeling methods. One is the part workbench, and using this part workbench we use the constructive solid geometry method, where we use one solid object and define its size, and we use boolean operations like addition, subtraction to model our part. And second one is a part design workbench, which is a very similar to the other CAD softwares like SolidWorks, Inventor. So this is a very beginner level tutorial, so we will do it with the part design workbench. So first I will close this file and I will create a new file here. And here in a part design workbench we see the two options: create a part or create a body. So first I will explain the difference between these two. This part and this body, this part is work as a container. If I create a part here, okay, so I cannot create any sketch here directly. I have to create a body inside of this part. So basically this part work as a container. So if you see here, if I select any plane, so it shows me to create a body. So basically the part work as a container. So this part very useful if you are modeling the multiple body, and if you want to export is as a step file or for the 3D printing, then you can directly click on this part and you can export it. So here I have created a part, and then I will insert my body, and it is not necessary, you can directly insert your body as well. If I create a new file, then I can create a body directly from here, but it is always recommended to use a container. So I will close it again and I will create a new file, I will create a new part, and then I will create my body here. So if you see here the parent child relationship, this body come inside of this part. So now if I press the space bar, I can on my plane here. So if I see our part, so basically we will select this XY plane and we will model a rectangle. So just select on this plane and create on the sketch here, and then draw a rectangle here. So we will parallelly read our drawings. So we will keep our center at here. So this radius is a R15. So what we will do, we will delete this line and we will go here and select the 3-point arc, and we will draw a 3-point arc, and we will select this arc and this line and make it tangent. Same way we will select this and we will make it tangent, and we will select this point and this point and give it a horizontal constraint, and we will merge it, and we will select this line and we will go in dimensions. So I will select the radius constraint and I will give it a 15. Now from center to this is a 60. So I will select this point and I will give horizontal dimension of 60. So you can see that our sketch has been turned in a green, so that means it is a fully constrained. Now I will close it, and with the help of a space bar you can easily on and off the visibility of the plane. Now here in a part design you will get here option the pad. So I first select the sketch and then click on the pad. So pad height is 9 mm, so I will give 9 mm and I will close it. or basically what we will do, we will achieve this total height which is of the 30, then we will make it cut, so that would be the better options. So I will make it 30, and now we will make the cut. So we will on our plane and we will select this XY plane and we will say sketch. So there may be some graphical issue if you are not seeing your object here. So best thing is that just draw any sketch here and then extrude, come outside of the sketch, then you will see. So it is a basically some graphicals error. So now I will again edit my sketch here, and now it is a 9 mm here from the base. So I will create on this convert entities and I will project, and I select this point and this point, and I will give vertical constraint of 9 mm, and same way I will project this one and I will select this point and this line, and I will say constraint with point onto object. So if you are seeing any difficulty in the line visibility, so you can switch to the wireframe mode here. And now if I see here, my center to edge dimension is 60 and it is 18. So if I minus 60 minus 18, so it is 42. So I will select these 2 points and give horizontal dimension of 42, and I will project this top of the edge and select this point and this line. So you can see that our sketch is fully constrained. I will switch to the isometric view, and I will change my visibility to the flat lines. Now I will close it and I will directly remove the material through all, and here I will select symmetric to the plane, and now I will again on my plane and I will select this mid plane and I will say sketch. So there's some graphical issue, so I will draw a rectangle, sorry, a triangle here, and I will come out of the sketch, and now I will edit it. Now I will project these two geometry and I will merge the points. Merge. I will switch to the wireframe. Better I will project this edge also, and I will select this one and this one. So you can see that it has been fully constrained. Now I will go in my body and I will hide it, and here I will close my sketch. I will switch to the isometric, and then I will give this thickness of 7 mm. So I will click on the pad and I will give dimension 7 mm, and I will say it's symmetric to the plane, and I will say OK. And now we will make this hole which is of diameter 15. So I will select this face and I will say sketch, and I will draw a circle here, and I will come out of it. Then again I edit sketch and I will give it a diameter of 15, and I will close it, and I will go for the cut, and I will say it true all, and I will say OK. And now here chamfer is 9 mm, so I will select these two edges and I will say the chamfer equal distances, so I will say 9 mm and I will say OK. So this is how we have converted this 2D sketch into the 3D models with the help of a part design workbench, and you can change color of your part. Just click on this body and go for appearances, and here you will see the shape colors, and you can give any color to your model and then switch to the isometric. So basically this is a very basic tutorial for the beginner users to the familiar with the part design workbench and basics tools of the part design like cut, extrude and chamfer. So this is all about this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then please subscribe my channel and also share my video. Your small support will help this channels to grow. I will come with more useful tutorial on FreeCAD. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.